So once we've got it over the knee, I'm just going to hold my foot up in the air. I'm going to get it down past my heel is the next junction. So again, none of the actual teasing is going to start until I've gone over my foot. I'm moving very subtly. Once I've got to over my foot, I'm going to flex it. And here's why. If you can see, I'm able to pull the stocking quite smoothly off my foot. Now, when it gets to my heel, I want to slow down. So I'm going to keep pulling, and as soon as it pops off my heel, I'm going to push my foot into what I call high heel position, imagining I have a shoe on. That junction is going to act as a little bit of a brake. So I can give it a pretend yank, and I'm pushing the instep of my foot down. I can even then put it on the floor and do the same thing. If I want to secure it more, I can even point the foot. So think of your foot as a brake pad. This is handbrake off. This is brake, all brakes off. This is brake on. This is handbrake on. So that's going to give me the most tension. I can even wrap it around different sides. I can play with it. I can unravel it. And it's not going to move. Even the most advanced thing you can do, oh, I just pulled it off without telling you, is stopping it in your big toe. But that's for another video. Once I've got it off, once I've got it right to the edge of the toe, I can stretch and play with it as much as I like, depending on how much elastic it has inside of it. And then when I want to choose to pop it off, I'm going to let the arm lead, and I'm going to really fling it out of the way. If I want to fling it completely out of my way, I'm just going to let go. If I want to play with it, I'll obviously hold on. Woof! I can then show it off. I can wrap it around my neck for safekeeping, which is what I'm going to do for now. Ooh, a scarf. And then we're going to try it on the other leg. Seem simple? Let's try that standing up, shall we?